Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Alrighty guys, so for today's video, I have another unboxing for you guys. By the way, if you don't know, I am doing a giveaway on my channel. Please check out my last video to learn how to enter. I'm also gonna post a link up here somewhere. That way you can just easily click on it and watch it and enter, guys. For those who already entered, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it, and good luck to you all. By the way, if you are hearing a lot of noises, it's because I have my fan on the floor. It's pretty hot here in California right now. I can finally feel the spring. I love the warm weather. Ooh, look at that, a little fan moment, a little hair moment right here. So yeah, let's get on with the unboxing. Let's first start off with the smallest box, which is this one right here. As always, you have the ribbon and the card if you are gifting this to someone. I'm so happy to unbox this, guys, because I've been actually wanting this item right here. You have the dust bag. Dun, 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 dun. I finally have my 6 key holder, guys. So this is what it looks like in the front. You have the gold hardware. By the way, this is in the monogram style. The side, the back, and the other side. And let's open this up. This is what it looks like inside. Obviously, you're gonna be putting your keys in here, and this one is made in France. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to get this. This one is also a hard to get item from Louis Vuitton, so I'm so happy to get my hands on this. So let's move on to the next one. It's inside this box right over here. You're always gonna have a ribbon and a card, so that way if you are gifting it, you can just easily write on it. This one I'm super excited to, guys. I'm pretty excited with everything, but man, this one is really hard to get. I don't even see this often at the boutique. It's just never available, so I'm so happy to get my hands on this. So let's open this up. This is what the box looks like inside. Let me put this away. So this is the dust bag. Dun, 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 dun. This one is the Pochette accessoire or accessories. Oh my gosh, guys. So this one says made in France. So this is what it looks like in the front, this side, the back, and the other side, as well as the bottom. And again, this is in the monogram style, and this is the new model. You have the brushed gold hardware, which is that one, and it has the LV initials. Inside you have the stuffing. Let's take this out. So this is what the inside looks like. It's definitely spacious compared to the mini pochette. You also have a small pocket here. Inside it has the product number if you are all interested. And then you also have the textile card, which is this one. And inside the bag it came with the strap. This one is untreated leather. Let's open this up. And this one over time will patina, as well as this one right here. They will patina or darken over time. So this is the strap. Let's first unbox the other one, that way I can just assemble this for you guys in just a little bit. The next one is in this box again. Do you guys have a hint on what this is? Because it's in the same box, but you know, that's what it looks like. Let's open this up. Again, you have the magnetic clasp. Oops, it's already falling out. She was like, show me already. Here it is. This one is also Pochette accessoire or accessories, but in the Damier Azur style. Oh my gosh, I love this. This one is perfect for summer or spring. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys a close-up. That's what it looks like in the front, the side, the back, the other side. Also, this one is also made in France. The bottom. And for some reason, guys, I think that's how it is with the Damier Azur. The hardware is a little bit shinier compared to the, let me show you guys, compared to the Monogram style. So you can tell that the hardware is different. This one is more yellow. This one is like a light yellow, which I really don't mind. I actually like the more vibrant color, vibrant gold. But yeah, there's a slight difference. And so far, looking at it, it looks really good. This is what it looks like side by side, by the way. But I don't know, I feel like this one has a little dent and this one doesn't. But it's not something that bothers me anyways. So let's open the Azur up, the Damier Azur. Oh, that's weird. This one didn't come with the plastic, but that's okay. But yeah, of course, again, this comes with the strap. Inside it has that light lining. Again, you have this small pocket. Inside it just has the product number. Let me show you guys what the product number, just in case you want to purchase it. This is the product number, and then it just comes with the textile card. You have the, on the inside you have the date code right here. This one is actually made last year, so that's kind of weird. Let me see the date code for the other one. This one is this year. Okay, that's kind of weird how it's like different. It's made in different years, but I don't mind these. Actually, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put this strap on your bag, because I was kind of having a hard time putting the other one, so I thought I'd show you guys. So this is the strap and this is the D-ring. What I like to do is I just stick it in. That kind of sounded dirty, but let's move on, guys. And then with the end of the other strap, you just put it inside the hole. Guys, there's no way of making this sound really nice, but you know, there's a little hole in here. You'd basically just put it inside it. So just stretch it out. There you have it. And then the hook, you just hook it on the other side of the bag. And there you have it, guys. That's what it looks like when you have it on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on me. So this is what it looks like on me, guys. I do have a big arm and this fits perfectly. I actually have still a few space on there. It's really, really comfortable, guys. Also, you know, it doesn't feel like it's too near my underarms, but that's what that one looks like. I'm gonna show you the other one. This is the one in the Monogram. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing today. These were actually on my wish list for a very long time, and that's because they were never available at the boutique or online. So I'm so excited to finally get my hands on them. I'm excited to use this outside hopefully soon. If you have any suggestions on what video I should do next, or if you have questions at all, just comment it down below and I'll make sure to check it out. If you like this type of videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one.